गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। जैसा कि हम सिक्योरिटी एनालिसिस एंड पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट में सिक्योरिटीज़ मार्केट देख रहे थे, आज उसी में हम देखेंगे बुक बिल्डिंग। बुक बिल्डिंग क्या होती है अभी हम समझते हैं। वेन एवर ए कंपनी फ्लोट्स ए पब्लिक इशू इन द प्राइमरी मार्केट टू रेज कैपिटल, the securities are offered to the public at a price which is fixed. An alternate is which is known as book building process. Means under the book building process, the issue price is not fixed in advance. Issue price is not fixed in advance. Instead, the issue price is determined by the potential investors who are willing to pay for the issue. In the book building process, investors who are interested in the issue send their bids mentioning their price and volume options, and the price of a security is found by taking the weighted average of various prices at which the majority of investors are willing to buy the security. Under this method, price of a security is allowed to be determined by the demand and supply forces in the capital market. SEBI has allowed an issuer company to resort to either 100% of the offer through the book building process or a combination thereof. Means some percentage of offer to the public through book building process or some through fixed price method. Now we see the steps. In the book building process, following steps: first, appoint a lead manager or managers to take care of the total process. Next step is have a syndicate of underwriters. Next, make draft prospectus and send it to the SEBI for the approval. And the next step is circulate the draft prospectus amongst eligible investors. And the next step is investors place orders with a syndicate members who are electronically linked throughout the country and to Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Book runner builds up a record showing the volume of securities required by investors and the price they are willing to pay. Next step is price of the issue, means weighted average, is determined by book runner and issuer company. Next step is allocation of shares is made by lead manager. And next is final prospectus and other documents are filed with registrar of company, means ROC office. Application forms and money is collected from subscribers by book runner. These are the steps to be involved in the book building process. Now we see the listing of securities. For a company to acquire a right to get its securities traded on a particular stock exchange, the company has to be listed in that stock exchange. Certain mandatory requirements are complied with by a company for listing purpose. These requirements have been prescribed in Securities Contracts Regulation Act and rules, SEBI guidelines, and the rules and regulation of the stock exchange. For example, documents like Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association, Prospectus, Directors Report, Annual Accounts, Agreement with Underwriters, and information relating to company's activity, its capital structure, distribution of shares, dividends, etc. are required to be furnished to the stock exchange along with an application for listing. If a stock exchange is satisfied with the information furnished in various documents by the company with respect to laid down eligibility criteria for listing purpose, the company is asked to execute a listing agreement with the stock exchange. The basic aim of the listing agreement is to force the company to keep the shareholders and the investors informed about various securities activities which are likely to be affect the share price of a company. Stock exchange also expects that the company which happens to be listed with it should also keep the stock exchange fully apprised on matters affecting the company. There are two types of listing shares, Group A shares and Group B shares. Shares belonging to large and well-established companies are referred to as Group A shares, whereas shares belonging to relatively smaller companies are referred to as Group B shares.